track is mainly composed of a base plate and a side door. It is appropriate for tridmensitional storage of goods which be afraid of pressure. Convenience to use. You can change application site easily. The grade of the base can be different according to its loading goods. Materials of the base plate can use grip or plate according to the size of good to prevent it from rusting. A beam could be added to suit for the transport and storage of tire. Using forklift or crane to stack the racks, increasing utility rate of space. Stacking can come true whether at full or empty loading condition. It is convenient for storage and transportation.